This video tutorial will give you a brief on how to take third-party quotation on Quickinsure platform. Let's dive deep into the process. Start by clicking third-party icon. This is the number of quotes taken in the current financial year. And these are the policies issued in current financial year. All. These are total number of quotes taken. Lead. These are the quotations for which payment link has been generated. Provided you need to make payment within the next 7 days. Pending. These are the quotations saved but payment link not generated. You need to generate payment link within next 7 days. Failed. If the quotes taken in lead and pending section are not converted into policies, then such quotes are transferred into this section. Search button. Use this feature to search the required vehicle number in quotations or business section. How to take quote? Click on New Quotation. You can take quote by two ways, with registration number or without registration number. If you take quote with registration number, cross-check the details with the RC document, and if details are not matching, then click the Invalid Report button on the top right corner and will have to manually enter vehicle details. Make sure you click the Invalid Report button when details are incorrect, as it will help us in rectifying the information at our end. Select the type of vehicle as per customer request. Select the make, model and fuel type. Submodel is of importance as it decides the cc and seating capacity. Make sure you select the right submodel, and if there is cc mismatch, change the submodel. Select the rest of the details like RTO, registration date, and click on Next. Insurance Details page. Select the customer type. This information is based on the owner name as per RC. Next is the previous year policy expiry date. If you have policy, enter as per policy. If customer has no previous year policy, enter policy expiry date of more than 3 months immediately preceding from the date of quotation. For example, if you are taking quote on 15th April 2022, then enter any date before 15th January 2022. Next is CPA toggle, which is by default on. What is CPA cover? It is an add-on cover which provides security in the event of accidental death of the vehicle owner. This cover provides monetary compensation in case of bodily injuries, partial or total, with temporary and permanent disabilities. Under this situation, the cover provides 15 lakhs of compensation to the insured person or nominee. It's a high benefit cover with low cost, which varies from 250 rupees to 450 rupees. Hence, it is advisable to select this option to enhance your policy by paying an affordable premium. Third-party property damage, shortly known as TPPD. By default, this toggle is off. What happens if the toggle is turned on? You will get a discount of rupees 50 on the total premium, but turns out to be a disadvantage. In case there is any third-party property damage, say a car crashes into some person's property and toggle is on, claim amount settled will be up to maximum 7,50,000. And any amount exceeding will be paid by pocket. If you keep the toggle off, claim will be settled at actuals. This is the quotation level, where a list of multiple companies are visible as per details entered, along with a button on top right to navigate to home page. Click on the company as per customer request. This will further open the page of premium breakup. You can even share the quote. Once confirmed by the customer, click the Continue button. This is customer details page, where you have to enter customer name, contact number along with email ID and address. Important things to remember. Our app requires both first and last name of the customer. So for example, as per RC, if the name is Ramesh, then enter Mr. in title and again Mr. Ramesh in full name field. This same applies for nominee name. Policy copy will be delivered on the email ID entered here. Once all information is filled, click Next. Enter the vehicle number along with engine and chassis number. Please note, you can enter last 6 digits of engine and chassis number. Previous year policy number is required when it is not expired. Enter nominee details as in name, date of birth, and relation with the owner. Next. Enter KYC details by entering PAN card number. Once all information is provided, click Next. This is the summary page which will appear with customer details and vehicle details. When you click Confirm, there are 3 options available. You can share the generated link, save the call and do the payment on the later stage. Complete KYC and pay on the spot. This is the KYC section where you have to select the type of document which varies from company to company. Once document is selected, enter details of the document. On successful verification, you can proceed for payment. How to download policy in application? Once the payment is successful, click Business section. Against the vehicle number, you can download policy by hitting the download icon. Additionally, policy copy will be delivered on the email ID entered in the customer details page. Amount is deducted and policy is not received? Don't worry, here is how you can raise ticket. In menu section, click Support. Then navigate through Ticket and click New Ticket. Enter subject. Add description and attach proof. That's how you take a third-party quote for any vehicle. Thanks for watching.